This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to write equations in Overleaf LaTeX. If you're just starting with LaTeX or looking to improve your document formatting, mastering how to write equations is essential. Today, we'll focus on two fundamental ways to incorporate math expressions into your text using Overleaf, which is a popular online LaTeX editor. First, let's tackle the scenario where you want to mention a quick formula or variable right in the middle of a paragraph. This is common when you're writing scientific papers, academic articles, or even simple reports where you might need to include a variable or a small equation seamlessly in your narrative. The key here is to wrap the math expression in single dollar signs. For example, if you're talking about Einstein's famous equation that relates energy and mass, you would write it as $E equals mc squared $. This makes it appear in line with your text, keeping the flow of your paragraph uninterrupted while clearly displaying the mathematical formula. Using this method is straightforward and keeps your document neat, especially when you're dealing with simpler equations or just need to reference a variable quickly. It's perfect for when you want to maintain the readability of your text without having the equation stand out too prominently. Now, let's move on to situations where you need to make your equations stand out more. Perhaps you're writing a section of your document where the equation plays a central role, or it's a complex formula that deserves its own space. In such cases, you'll want to wrap your equation in \open bracket and \close bracket. What this does is center the math on a new line. Not only does this format make the equation more prominent, but it also ensures that it doesn't get an equation number, which is ideal when numbering isn't required. Let's take an example to illustrate this. Suppose you need to calculate the roots of a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. You would write it like this: \open bracket x equals fraction open parenthesis negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac close parenthesis over 2a \close bracket. This will display the equation neatly centered on its own line, making it stand out clearly in your document. It's a great way to ensure that complex equations are both readable and visually distinct, especially when precision and clarity are crucial. And there you have it. With these two simple techniques, you can effectively integrate equations into your LaTeX documents using Overleaf. Remember, for inline equations that fit snugly within your paragraphs, use single dollar signs. For larger, standalone equations that you want to center on their own line, use the \bracket method. These methods not only help in organizing your document better, but also enhance readability and presentation, which is particularly important in academic and professional writing. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on writing equations in LaTeX, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy writing and enjoy your journey with Overleaf.